Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What's your name?
Amelia.
Amelia? Today I have two hurt babies. Look. Yesterday Amelia hurt her lips. What did you do to hurt your lips? Got a boo-boo on your lips?
Yes.
You do. Amelia has a boo-boo on her lips.
I got my toes.
Oh, okay. And Philip also has a boo-boo. Philip has a boo-boo right here. Look at that.
Poor baby.
Poor baby. Philip got his blood drawn again today for like the third time, and they couldn't find his veins, so they kept poking him. Are you okay, Philip? You doing okay now?
And my tummy hurts.
And your tummy hurts? What are we gonna do about that? Do you need to go use the potty?
No.
Ouch. 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 That hurts, baby. Ouch. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Ouch.
Ouch.
You're ow. Baby, you're hurting daddy. That's not nice. It's not nice.
Ow, move me.
Mwah. Mwah. Great! Now press the yellow dot again.
Tick, tick.
Good. Perfect. Rub the dot on the left. Gently. Is that the dot on the left? That's the right. The left is the side. The left is the side. Gently, gently. Gently, very gently, okay? Not too hard. Well done. Now, the one on the right, gently. 5 quick taps on the yellow.
Tick, tack, tick, tack.
And 5 taps on the red. Count.
1, 2, 3.
And finally, 5 taps on the blue.
Blue.
Perfect. Try shaking the book just a little bit. Not bad, but maybe a little bit harder. There, well done. Now tilt the page to the left, just to see what happens. Left.
Left.
Oh, it went to the left side. And then to the right, just a little bit more. Let's put it this side. Ready? Tilt, tilt, tilt to the right. Okay. Excellent, it went this side. Shake the book one more time just to get everything back to order. Okay, you shake.
Shake it.
Interesting. Try pressing down really hard on all the yellow dots. That's funny. Turn the lights back on. Try pressing them all.
No.
Hold on. 2 of those dots seem to have switched places, but which ones? Now press hard on all the dots. Really hard. Careful, careful. Not bad. Shake them up a little. Okay. Try blowing on them to get rid of the black. Blow like this. Blow. Okay, harder. Your turn. Blow.
Too harder.
That's perfect. Now clap your hands once. Just once. Clap your hands just once. One. One time. Once. Just one time. Like this. Clap. More! Clap, 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 clap. Woohoo! Keep clapping, keep clapping. Clap, clap your hands. More, more, more. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Look, it's getting bigger. Clap your hands. Good job, guys. Good job, Philip.
No, the pressing one.
That's it. The end.
No, I'm not yet.
Oh, what are you guys doing? My baby. I love you guys.
Not me.
I love you too.